Hello and welcome back to our next video and lecture. In our previous video, we have talked about physical products dropshipping, basically taking profit of the different prices between marketplaces for the same product. And we've chosen as an example, but this can apply even to a local scale in your country. We've chosen two big marketplaces and we have chosen Amazon and eBay, but I will show you some other examples as well. Now, basically what you have to do, as we have previously spoken, you have to create an account on each of these big marketplaces, on Amazon, on eBay, a seller account and a normal buyer account, okay? So you create an account on Amazon, then you create an account on eBay, okay, and on other big marketplaces that you have. Now let me show you an example. So what we want to do is find a product which on one of the marketplaces it's sold for a higher price, and on one of the other marketplaces it's sold for a lower price. Now before starting to record this video for you guys, we have searched for an example and we have found it, okay? So basically what we have searched for and found is a storage bench with 3 drawers that on Amazon it's sold for $17.99. Okay, you can see the price here plus $10 shipping. And if we go on eBay, the same, okay, exactly the same product, it's sold for $74 plus $11 shipping. Okay, and if we scroll down, we might even find the product, okay, again sold at even a cheaper price. Okay, so these are the type differences that we are looking for. Okay, let me show you another example. Let me just go back here. Okay, we have this product on Amazon, the roach bait gel. Okay, this is for gardening and for gardening enthusiasts, which is sold on Amazon. Let me see, even for $29. Okay, look here, $29.95. Now if we go on eBay, we can see that this product is sold for $25.5. So there's a price difference of $4. Now that can be your profit margin. Okay, so these are some simple examples. Obviously you have to do some deep research, okay, to find the best products and the ones which are very well sold. Now as you can see, this one has a lot of ratings, so probably it's a product which sells very well. But what you want to do is find the best selling products that have these price differences and use them, okay, and earn from the price difference. Okay, another thing that you can do with this dropshipping for physical products business model is, for example, create an account on Amazon or on eBay and go, for example, on a site with wholesale deals like this one, wholesaledeals.co.uk, and find here products, because you can find here products which are very cheap and that you can list on a specific price on Amazon or on eBay, and you can earn a huge profit margin. Okay, you can see here that the current average markup is of 270%. Okay, which is a lot of money if you think about it, right? For example, let's take a tour here and let's search for baby products, baby and children clothes. So bear with me for a couple of seconds. Now if we scroll down, okay, for example, we found this Adidas, okay, this Adidas sweatshirt, which at the price that we can find on this website is 10 pounds, 10 pounds 0.75, and it's normally sold on eBay for 23 pounds. Okay, so it's more than 200%, guys. Okay, the price it's 2 times. So the markup, the profit markup, as you can see here, it's 93.7%, which is a great markup. So this is another way. Okay, you find products like this, you find websites like this, you create an account and you start publishing them there and you start selling them. Okay, another way to do it is go ahead on AliExpress. You know, it's the big retailer from China. Find different hot selling products here. The only problem here is with the shipping, because it takes a little bit longer. You just put them on your Amazon account, on your eBay account, and you start to sell them. Okay, it's very simple. So this is another method. Now another great thing